Hi, I'm Mark Cleghorn. Welcome to the Photographer Academy, and welcome to part 2 of my kind of Marilyn Monroe sheet shoot and things, really. In this shot, in fact, we're looking at one image, really. We're concentrating on how to kind of really get that one magical photograph. We're working with Molly. Molly's a model that we've used in the past for workshops, but until today, I'd never photographed her in lingerie at all. And it basically brings a kind of a new relationship as far as photographer and model is concerned, in the same way that each time you work with a new client or a new model, you have to build that relationship up. We've used Molly for workshops and demonstrations in the past and things, for fine art and things. Anyway, we're looking at just the one image, okay? So I'm not going to complicate things. I'm going to keep it to 24-105 lens. We're working still at the f4, as you know, okay? We've only got the one light, which is still from part 1. It's behind the camera position. We're kind of allowing the light to kind of bleach out. Usually, I'd be photographing from this side, okay? I like more kind of shadow and everything else. But as it is for this image, we're going to be photographing where I'm in the light itself, and I'm photographing. So she's going to look at me. We're always going to have a bright light face and so on. When I've kind of done this shoot in the past, specifically with models and specifically in workshops, I'd usually use the mattress. In this case, we're using the blow-up bed, but we have a mattress that we kind of put on the floor in exactly the same way as with the Marilyn Monroe shoot. She kind of, that's how it was set up. The photographer just dragged it off the bed, put it on the floor, and did all the shoot and things really. And the great thing about that, with the model's permission, with the client's permission, I basically can almost stand above them and actually shoot down a lot easier than basically photographing from a step stool and so on. But again, it's down to what your agreement is with the client and models and so on with it and things really. So blow up bed, we put the white panel against here like a headboard now in case it starts to actually add in. So this is a reflector panel. And as I said, I'm going to be shooting from around there. So let's get into the kind of the pose and the animation with it. The first things first, obviously, to kind of mimic the pose that we're doing, Molly's going to be on her side. So Molly, I need you on this side. Can you move into the middle of the bed a little bit more? And I'm probably going to take your legs just over towards that direction a little bit, darling. Great. That's it. I need as much leg as I can on both legs. And just use the sheet between the legs to hide the pants. I don't think I'm afraid to actually show pants at all with a shot, but in this case, I want to do the implied and things really. Great. Just so come onto your side so you can kneel. This knee up, that's great. Little bend more with the other foot for me, that's great. Loosen this sheet just a little bit more. I think it's a little bit tight on the bottom. There you go. Great. Right, let's uncover the boobs as much as you can, but keep them covered. And all this sheet here, what is it? Is it doing anything? No. Get rid of it, either to me or the other way. It's great, just chuck it off at the edge. Cool, it's there. So come onto your side more, and you are using your right hand just up about right hand. It's this way, it's flat. There, that's it. Lower it down just a little bit more. That's great, just there. And almost, I think we're there in fact. Just almost grip that sheet into your hand a little bit more. That's lovely, let's do it. Keep it minutes. Do a quick test. Okay, so before we kind of start finessing it more, we need to look at the image, so get carried away. I think the first things first, the pillows are kind of almost in the way themselves. So let's just move down a little bit more, please, darling. Easier said than done, isn't it? Go, 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 go. Go. There you go. Let's do it again. Same thing again. So we might have to a little bit kind of roll away and then kind of roll back to keep that kind of energy. Still need to push between the legs, me, so I can kind of just show more leg. That's it. Let's do it. Let's do it. And again. Lower this elbow down a touch more. Almost roll onto the boobs more. That's it. There's the shot. Keep it. Bring this knee up higher. And this knee up a little bit more. That's it. Let's do it. Keep it. Little expression. Keep it. That's lovely. Push the side of the sheet down as much as you can. That's it. Hang on to it. Perfect. Yeah, pants is covered. That's better. Gorgeous. Again, lower the elbow down a little bit more, darling. Just bring this hand out just a touch. Just that's lovely. Big expression. It's lovely. Just slightly roll across to me. That's lovely. Eyes to me again. You'll almost turn the head up as if you're in that rotisserie. A little bit more expression. You can do it. It's gorgeous. Move over that way a touch, can you? It's gorgeous. Let's do it again. Keep it. Again. It's beautiful. Little expression. Keep it. Lower the chin as if it's cheeky mode. That's gorgeous there. That's lovely. And again. Really kind of cover yourself and things. Really, that's gorgeous there. Let's do it. Use the flat of the hand on the sheet as long as it's going to keep it there on the boob. Looks a little bit fake at present, so just, that's it. Let's do it again. It's gorgeous. Lose the smile. Almost bury your head through embarrassment. It's cool. Cheekier now. That's lovely. Happier, just a touch. Love it. Mole, that's gorgeous, darling. And again, it's great. Let's do the overhead. This is where we kind of do the whole overhead with it. Yeah, so a little bit of a shape. Let's almost roll away and then roll back to me. Hang on to it. Go, 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 go. There, stop. And looking back to me now. Let's love it again. This one knee up higher. That's it. Keep it. Keep it. Love it. Come up to me a little bit more. So the head is just up towards me. Keep the bum more or less where it is. It's gorgeous there. Turn the head to me more, Molly. Keep that. So I'm changing the focus point just actually onto the face all the time. That's really what I'm interested in. Little expression. It's gorgeous there. Here you go. Great. Relax. Try and... Oh, I love this sheet though. More at me again. Can you just bring this right knee down more? That's it. Keep it. Keep it. Keep it again. It's lovely. Turn the head to me more, darling. Keep it. It's lovely. Big expression. It's lovely. Almost bury your head through embarrassment down towards here. That's lovely. Again. Keep it. Relax. Lovely. Right. Let's almost lay on your belly. I want to see the edge of the boob fully. So if you move away from me a touch more, please, Mol. That's it there. Lay on your belly. Let the sheet go as loose as you can and give me as much body, legs. That's it. Shove it between your leg if you want the sheet. Ooh. Okay. So if we uncover the boob more. There you go. That's lovely. Bury the head, I think, for a minute. Keep it. Eyes to me, Molly. Can you come lower down for me? I want the earth, I know, but we're finishing the image. It's going to be brilliant. It's great. Let's do it. Stir me again now, Mol. Cheekier. It's lovely. Lose as much of this sheet as you can. I want to see the underneath of the boob just a touch if we can. Just cover the nipple. And move it off the back more. There you go. It's lovely. Keep it. Obviously, in this kind of positioning, this is where a stylist is great, or if you're working with an assistant, so obviously they can kind of go in normal times, actually go in and really actually adjust all the kind of the sheet and everything else with it. Okay, let's do it. Oh, love it, Molly. Again. Bring this elbow down more. That's lovely. Big expression. It's lovely. Eyes closed, mouth closed. What's the left hand doing? Is it hanging on? Yeah. If that goes, will it drop off? Yeah. Okay, hang on to it then. Let's kind of show your pants then. So let's just actually bring it off. There you go. It's great. Let's show it off fully. So let's bring off and just hide on there with your boob. That's it. Let's do it. Keep it. Let's do it again. Stir me more. Slowly. Other knee up. Is it? No, you're right. This knee up higher though. Your left knee up higher. There you go. Can you push it away from your belly a touch? The sheet. There you go. We'll just suck in on two, okay? Ready? Sucking in. Go. It's lovely. Come up to me a little bit more, Mom. Relax. A little bit more. And we can actually just roll onto the back again, I think. There you go. It's gorgeous. Keep everything showing. That's lovely. It's there. Straighten me again, Molly. Turn the head to me more, darling. More. Happier. It's lovely. Use that hand with the sheet, other one, hang on to it, use that one. Can we just push this sheet away as much as you can? Let's cut to the screen a minute in case we're going to show anything. We're not, that's okay. And just almost use this arm across now. So you're almost going to hold onto your left boob. That's it, it's great, that's it, keep it. It's gorgeous. And again, raise the chin up more. Can you get up to me a little bit more? Keep the bum there, keep the top part of your body over towards me more. There you go, darling, just keep it. It's gorgeous, keep it. This is going to be 6 foot across the top of your bed, this is going to be amazing. That's lovely. Raise the chin up tall. It's beautiful, just there. And again, keep it. Big expression, Molly. It's lovely, darling. Looking straight across there for me. Keep it. Eyes on me now. Done. Nice image. Round of applause for that girl. Really great. Thank you very much for joining me in the studio. Thank you, Molly. Absolutely brilliant, darling. Very well done.